Check this out. See those steps there? Let me tell you something. This is the corner when I spent my teen years and after early 20s. These steps here, this was wider. That window that didn't exist. It was through those holes that was all open, and somebody took that corner and built the room there, expanded their apartment. So these steps that was wide like that to that transformer down there, and big entrance, and we were sitting there playing chess and cards, playing poker actually in the midday, dice, everything. And today, like I said, this corner is one of the main corners in the Belgrade. Look at those trees, look at that, it's like a green tunnel. And now it's Monday, and here with the old crowd reminiscing stories from the past and America. Živeli.
Ne, mi smo i dalje u kontaktu sve.
Dete, evo još jedno.
I mi smo, kažem ti, to zubatog malo ređe viđamo, ali tako kad su neki povodi.
Daj mi bre Zubin telefon, on me prošli put me... Okay, it's lunchtime. I'm here with old friend, and you know what's coming. Živeli. Apricot. This restaurant behind me, I spent there many days, years actually, days and nights. It's in my neighborhood, and it's like in the alley, let's say. And over there, that's like a yard of elementary school where I went when I was a kid. So this is the back door from the schoolyard. It's still elementary school, and as you can see, on a concrete over there, basketball hoops and kids playing soccer here. It's really not like something you're used in America. This is different.
Dižite telefon u kameru, znate da ne smijete da snimate ovdje djecu. Ovo je škola, školsko dvorište.
To je škola gdje sam ja.
Pa dobro, ali... Jel imate veću kartu protiv ovoga? Mogu da pogledam.
I'm at the Belgrade fortress, old, from ancient, more than 2,000 years old, from Roman times and before. We're gonna see it more in future in my videos. And as usual, I'm meeting there in a restaurant, meeting friend. But this is beautiful place in the middle of the town. This is the central big park, like in New York, Central Park. This is our Central Park in Belgrade. So all this area was old fortress and changed from Romans to Serbs to Turks to again Serbs, and you're gonna see it's really amazing. This gate, it's called Stambol Gate, which means Istanbul, and this road is Istanbul Road because it leads straight. You go that way down, follow that track, it goes straight down to Istanbul. Signor Dottore, come stai?
Tutto bene, tutto bene.
Tutto bene, that's my buddy. He's a doctor in Italy, so little Italian lingo for you. Say something. Na italianskom. Italian.
Tanti saluti a tutti i spettatori del canale privato di Dusan.
Bene, bene. Let's start eating and drinking. It's a new day. They say the last nice day. Next week the cold weather and rain again. So as you learned from my previous videos, that's our favorite thing to do. Sit, eat and drink. and a good company, it's always good. Good looking women around, and it's fun. Today it's Tuesday, and it's almost a month since I'm here. Yep, this week is gonna be full month, this weekend. So time flies. Do you miss me? Aj. Živjeli.
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 Our meal came. This is for two. It's a wheel with potatoes, and there's kaimak on the top in a clay dish, covered with clay and then baked. That's a specialty. New day, new place, and new old friends. Okay, boys.
I tvoji dvojica, gledaj. Ovo je autentično.
Živjeli.
I onda kaže...
This is old Moscow hotel, Hotel Moskva. I'm here with a nice company, two ladies. Little change, enough drinking and eating. We're doing cappuccino.
Mislim da Amerika ljudima pruža šans. Ako vas tamo neko primeti, onda će biti.
Okay. Thursday morning, I'm here in front of the bar. It's called the Centro, and my buddy is leaving for Italy, so we're gonna hit breakfast, couple shots here, and then he's on the way to airport, taking the plane for Milano. It's rough. He's messing there, leaving his bags. Let's go. So this is in my neighborhood. My house is down just like 3 blocks. We're gonna go. We'll see. It's gonna be breakfast only. So there are ovens. So what we have here is cheese pie called burek. That is Serbian specialty. So, and it goes good with even we call this yogurt, but actually it's what you know as buttermilk. It's liquid, it's not thick like yogurt. I got fork and knife, but no, I'm doing it Viking style. Viking style. Not bad. And that's what we eat every day for breakfast. Every day. When you go to school, we don't have breakfast at school. We go out to this bakery and just buy this stuff. Eat every day. Absolutely every day of my life. And around the city, there's like thousands of these little exchange office places. Everybody has euros, dollars, and we just exchange it there. You don't have to go to the bank, and it's better rate in these places than in the bank. So he just changed some money so we can spend it now drinking plum brandy and other stuff. They also have Western Union for sending money, but I think PayPal is the best way to send money. Made it. It's a small local place, 3 tables, 10 chairs. So this place has some original look from 1945. You can see they didn't spend much money on paint and furniture. It's just for locals, old guys in the morning. And we got morning setup, cappuccino, plum brandy, water. Živeli, doktore. I tu sam. Živeli, živeli. Yeah, new place, new crowd, same activity. Živeli. And for lunch, Serbian burger, roasted red peppers, beer, and friendly crowd. And hot peppers. Hot peppers. Should be hot. And as you can see, life is not easy for me. You may think there must be something more than eating and drinking all day long. That's how we live here. So long, and good luck.